How to open SoFi High Yield Online Savings Account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First of all, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for SoFi High Yield Online Saving Account Sign Up. It will be landing you on this page. Now scroll down and tons of different sites will be available to you, but you have to head over to this site. It will be landing you on its official page. In order to create an account, tap on Open an Account. Now you have to wait for them to confirm you are a human. You will be landing on this page. In order to create an account, first of all enter your legal first name, your legal last name, your state, email address, and then also enter the password. Once you've entered all the information, click on this checkbox and then tap on Next. After that, you simply have to follow the on-screen process and then your account will be created successfully. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can open SoFi High Yield Online Saving Account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.